So hey, it's Harry Husky, or as you may better know me on this channel as Harry Film Stuff. Just basically making this video to wish you all a very Merry Christmas and hopefully a Happy New Year. Because let's face it, I haven't uploaded anything since May this year, and there hasn't been anything since then. Well, not really since March, to be fair, since this whole COVID pandemic was considered a global pandemic by the World Health Organization in the middle of March. So, yep, and it all went downhill from there. Now I think it's going to be pretty obvious that this Christmas is being one that's going to be very, very different than the usual Christmases. I'm not really going to be doing much. I'm just having quite a quiet one with the parents because I share the same household with them because I can't afford to move out. Thank you, government. Now, although I haven't been active on this channel, I have been uploading stuff on the new Harry Husky YouTube channel that I set up in May, sometime after the announcement video that I made for this channel. So those who aren't aware of it or haven't checked it out yet, I will leave a link in the description below, so you can just feel free to check it out, like, subscribe, or if you like what you see, at least. Yeah, I mean, just thank God that we have finally made it to the end of this absolutely atrocious year. And I've had some bad years in my life. I know that I probably didn't have a great year last year. Those who've probably seen certain two videos will probably know why. I am thinking about coming clean about those videos to explain exactly what happened and just to give detailed explanations as to why I ended up going into that mental state. I really need to think that video through over though, because there's a lot of stuff I want to get off my chest, but I'll just leave what I have to say for that one. Now, if I'm being honest, I'm not really optimistic about 2021, because God knows what that could throw at us. It could, you know, okay. I mean, it could either go two ways. It could make up for the atrocity that was 2020, or it could take one massive middle finger made up of a bunch of giant little tiny teeny millions of middle fingers, and then those middle fingers are made up of tiny teeny little middle fingers. So I mean, even though things could be looking up for 2021, but already some furry events and some furry conventions have had to cancel already, because I know that Texas Furry Fiesta has had to cancel. I know that just for the weekend they've had to postpone. Vernal Equinox have cancelled their 2021 events. Any others that I may have missed, just feel free to just let it know in the comments below. And to be honest, I wouldn't be surprised at this rate if Confuzzled 2021 doesn't go ahead. I'm kind of hoping it does, not just because of the whole pandemic and with the amount of time that we left running in for the convention, it would put a lot of massive stress on the con staff and everyone who's involved with the running in it. So regardless of whether or not social distancing measures will be released in the spring, I think for the sake of the convention staff and all the team behind it, because of the amount of stress it would potentially put on them, I think letting it go ahead in May of 2021 could be the wrong thing to do. Like, as someone who is on crew for a convention, I know about the stress, the thinking, the power and energy that is put into these events. Like, the amount of it is just huge, and I feel like a lot of it is underappreciated by most. So I'm going to push that aside. When Confuzzle can happen again, I do have some big plans involving a pretty major stage show that I have in mind. Not prepared to go into detail quite just yet, because I don't really want to spoil the surprise. There's just a few things I do need to sort out, which I won't go into publicly right now, but hopefully it will be getting the green light, because trust me, this will be huge, and yeah, I'm looking forward to it if it does go ahead, but I will be scared at the same time. Alright, I'm just going to sign this off because honestly I've just run out of things to say. Just going to say this again, we'll sign this off with very, very Merry Christmas, and hopefully here's to a much happier 2021. So goodbye for now. I'm not really going to be doing much. I'm just having quite a quiet one with the parents because I share the same household with them because I can't afford to move out. Thank you, government, for no. Oh my god, I'm just ridiculously fucking this up, and my Santa hat has fallen off.